Oh, man, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. Today, it's a hot one out there today, but I'm actually going to the car show down at Evolution Performance, and they're not too far away from me, so it should be a good time. Should be a lot of cool cars up there. If you guys haven't heard of them, check them out. They have a lot of, record-setting cars. They build a lot of badass Mustangs, and they do a lot of Lund racing and Lund tuning and all stuff like that. So should be pretty cool. First car show with the Mustang. Yeah, I know it's stock. I know, I get it, but I got some parts that should be arriving later today. Hopefully by the time I get back from the show, they'll be at my front door. Yes, I know I need a garage door. I'm getting one soon. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to head out, wait for my buddy Billy to get here, and we're gonna take a ride up there and check some stuff out. And if the parts that I'm waiting for come in, I'll be installing them in this video too. So let's head out, guys. Had to run back in. Can't forget my Bang. I love these things. They're so good. But all right, cold start. Let's go. Look at this. This is what I wanted right here. Wow. Oh, they got the best steering wheels. Look at this Shelby. Holy fuck. Look at that carbon dash. Got a Zen gauge. Yeah. That's awesome, man. Beautiful. There's that new Gen 5 Whipple.
Welcome everybody. Great day today.
This thing looks good. No. Oh shit.
Nice wing. Always got the
Showing me out, man. Oh, jeez.
Oh, look at the wheels.
I love these new Shelbys.
This is the 18 and up, right?
This is a 2020.
Oh, 2020.
That's a GT500.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Look at that fat tire. Dude, they look so good. I thought this was Steve real quick. Look. Oh, shit. You know what that means.
Yep. Big tire, too.
I love them things. Look at this thing. That's pretty sick. This is exactly what my car needs. I know. I'll get the active exhaust through. I need.
I'm building it.
Kenny Bell 2 valve. My old stomping grounds right here. 03, 04 Cobra days.
Still such nice cars.
I know, I still love them. Still love them.
Suede interior. Can't beat it.
Classic, man. Classic.
Look at these seats and shit. Carbon fiber something.
Big baller wheels right there. Looks killer. Yep. One day.
The C7 values plummeted from this stuff.
All right, guys, just left the show. Good turnout, bunch of cool cars. Looks like it's going to rain and the weather's about to get pretty crappy, so decided to head out. But met up with a couple friends. They trying to get some runs in with my buddy in the Volkswagen. I'm just going to tag along because this thing's slow as hell. But see if I can record some races for you. But here we go. That was a cool little Mexico trip. A little something before this thing gets a couple mods. My buddy Billy in that Volkswagen, man, that thing was rolling. I'm telling you, that thing is quick. I'll put some videos of his runs right here. Make sure you check them out. But obviously it's starting to rain. We're gonna try and get home. I got nothing to worry about. I'm on street tires, and so I'm good. But if this was the vet, this would be pretty bad on those ET Street Rs. But I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna see if those mods I'm waiting for came in, and hopefully I can install them. Woo! Good thing I'm not on a drag radial yet. Holy shit, it's coming down. Looks like it's getting clear over there though. Wow. The only time I'm happy I'm on a street tire. Oh man. Woo! There's Billy. This stupid thing. All that for that.
This little nut takes out that thing.